If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I am happy to introduce you to the Yasmota handbag by Country Cow Designs. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. As you can see, it is a medium to large size handbag. It has a crossbody strap, handbag handles. On the front, you have a generous slip pocket. This awesome detailing of how the handles come up on the front and back. Purse feet on the bottom. Really pretty accents on the side. Recessed zipper. And on the inside, I've done this one with a zipper pocket with overlay, as well as 2 slip pockets. This is such a fun make. It can be made in cottons, corks, vinyls, leathers, whatever you like, it can be made in. Truly do love, love, love this bag. Anyways, if you are one of my clients and you'd like to order one of these, you know what to do. All my information is down below. If you're part of the bag makers community, this is the bag we are doing in October 2023, the Tuesday classes. So if you needed to see a replay on these, if it's after October, you can definitely join and watch the replays of the classes. We will be cutting this coming week, depending when you're watching this, is October 10th is our first class for Yasmota. So you can definitely join us from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And again, you can also catch the replays. You just have to join, I believe it's tier number 5, the Tuesday and Thursday so-long group on the membership side of the channel. There's also a tutorial on this one. It will be released to the Beans Peeps Club this week sometime, second week of October. As soon as I get it finished, have to finish doing a little bit more voiceover on it, and then it will be released to the public side at the end of the month once we are all done classes. So if you want a sneak peek at the tutorial when this launches, that's tier number 1, Beans Peeps Club. You can join that for the sneak peek of it. Otherwise, it will definitely go public at the end of the month. Anyways, until the next one, I'll catch you guys later. Bye!